Hello students, welcome to all of you. In today's session, myself Seema Raite, I am working as Assistant Professor in KTHM College, Nasik, Department of Commerce. Today, we are going to discuss the syllabus of the subject Computer Concept and Application first for Semester 1 FY BCom class. Now, the objective of the course is first to make the students familiar with computer environment, second to make the student familiar with the basics of operating system and business communication tool, third to make the student familiar with basics of network, internet and related concept. Next, to make awareness among students about application of internet in commerce. Last objective, to enable make awareness among students about e-commerce and m-commerce. Next, now let us see the syllabus. There are 4 units in this first semester. The unit number first is Introduction to Computer and Operating System. Total number of lecture 12. In that, first point, Introduction to Computer, definition of computer, block diagram of computer, computer hierarchy, it means classification of computer. Next point, characteristics of computer. Next, we will see computer system hardware, computer memory, input and output devices. Next point, definition of software. There are two types of software. First is the system software, second is the application software. Next, definition of operating system. Next point, types of operating system, functions of operating system. Next point, we will see working with Windows operating system. In that, we will see introduction of operating system, the desktop, structure of Windows, Windows Explorer, file and folder operation, the search and recycle bin. Next, adding or removing new program using control panel, application in Windows like Paint, Notepad, WordPad and Calculator. Next point, introduction to free and open source software. Next, definition of computer virus, types of virus, use of antivirus software, etc. Second, unit number second, office automation tool. Total number of lecture 12. In this unit, first point, we will see definition of information technology, it means IT. Second, benefit of information technology, application of information technology. Next point, office automation tool. In that, first automation tool is MS Word. In that, introduction of MS Word, starting MS Word, MS Word screen and its component, elementary working with MS Word, etc. Second automation tool is MS Excel. In that, introduction of MS Excel, starting MS Excel, basic of spreadsheet, MS Excel screen and its component, elementary working with MS Excel. Next automation tool, MS PowerPoint. In that, introduction of MS PowerPoint, starting MS PowerPoint, basic of MS PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint screen and its component, elementary working with MS Point, etc. Next point is the data processing. In that, file and record, file organization. There are three types of file organization: sequential, direct or random, and index file organization. Unit number 3rd, Introduction to Computer Network. Total number of lecture 12. In that, first point, introduction, importance of networking. Next, computer network, LAN, it means local area network, WAN, wide area network, and MAN, metropolitan area network. Next point, network component, hub, switch, bridge, gateway, router, modem. Next is the network topology and wireless network. Next, introduction of internet and internet application, internet evolution, working of internet, use of internet. Next, overview of World Wide Web, it means WWW, web server and client. Next is the introduction to search engine and searching the web, downloading file, introduction to web browser, working with email, its creation and the use of same. Last point of this unit, introduction to internet security. In that, we will see security, privacy, ethical issues and cyber law, etc. Unit number 4, computer application in commerce. Total number of lecture 12. In that, first point, computer application in business, their need and scope, computer application in various field of commerce. In that, personal administration, accounting, cost and budgetary management, purchasing, banking, insurance and stockbroking, and e-governance. Next point, e-commerce. E-commerce means the electronic commerce. In that, we will see definition of e-commerce, main activity of e-commerce, benefit of e-commerce, broad goal of electronic commerce. Next is the main component of e-commerce, functions of e-commerce, communication and process management, service management, transaction capabilities, etc. Okay students, so it is whole was a syllabus. Now let us see unit number 1st, introduction to computer and operating system. So students, first of all, what is a computer? Today's world is an information rich world and it has become a necessity for everyone to know about the computer. So first point, introduction to computer. A computer is an electronic machine that accepts data from the user, process the data by performing calculation and operation on it, and generate the desired output result. So computer is a electronic machine or the device that process the data. Information given to the computer is called data. A computer works is very fast. It saves your time and energy. It can remember a lot of things. Next, a computer works in a 3 stages. We will see one by one. First stage is the input, in bracket data. So input is the raw data entered into a computer from the input devices. It is the collection of letters, numbers, images, etc. Okay, so input is a raw data entered into a computer from the input devices. Which one is the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, scanner is the input devices, and input is the collection of the letters, numbers, images, text, etc. So this is the first stage of the computer. Second, Process. Process is the operation performed on data as per given instruction. It is totally internal process of the computer system. So, second is the process. Process is the operation performed on data as per the given instruction. It is the internal part of the computer system. Third stage, output and storage. In that, output is the process data given by computer after data processing. Output is also called as result. We can save this result in the storage devices for the future use. So, third is the output stage. Output is also called as a result. Okay. So, there are three stages. First is the input. It means takes data as a input. Second, process. Processes the data and convert it into useful information. And third, generate output. So, this is a three stages of computer. Next, definition of computer. It is the important definition of a computer. Here, a computer is a programmable machine that can store, retrieve and process data. Another definition, computer is an electronic machine made up of various electronic devices to process data. Okay. So, computer is a programmable machine or electronic machine that can store the information, retrieve the information and process the data. Okay. So, it is the definition of a computer. Computer are used in various fields like school, universities, organization, music industry, movie industry, scientific research, law firm, fashion industry, etc. Okay. So, computer are used in various fields. Next, a complete computer system include four distinct parts. First part is the hardware. Second is the software. Third, data. And fourth, user. So, this is a part of computer system. We will see one by one. First is the hardware. So, what is a hardware? Hardware is the physical part of a computer. A computer hardware consists of electronic devices, the part you can see and touch, such as the keyboard, monitor, mouse, speaker, etc. Okay. So, hardware is the physical part of a computer system. Second is the software. Okay. So, what is a software? Software is the logical part of a computer. It is a set of program. Software cannot be seen or touched. For example, operating system, compiler, tally software, Photoshop, etc. These are the example of software. So, the main difference between hardware and software is hardware is the physical part of a computer system and software is the logical part of a computer system. Third part is the data. So, what is a data? It consists of raw fact which the computer can manipulate and process into information that is useful to people. Computer use data in digital form. They convert data into information that people can understand, such as text, number, sound, images, etc. So, data is the raw fact. Next part is the user. people are the computer operator. Okay, so this is the parts of computer system. So students, today's session is over. Thank you so much.